Hey peps, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach how to increase the performance of your PC. Tell you the tip number 1. Change your power settings. If you are using Windows 10 power saving plan, you are slowing down your PC. That plan reduces your PC's performance in order to save energy. Changing your plan from power saver to high performance or balanced will give you instant performance boost. To do it, launch Control Panel app, then select Hardware and Sounds, then Power option, or you can search in search box. You will see 3 options: Balance, Driver Boost Power Plan, Smart Game Boost Power Plan. In my laptop, I can find Driver Boost Power Plan and Smart Game Boost Power Plan. But you can also find high performance or balanced or power saving mode. Okay, now let's go to tip number 2. Clean out your hard disk. There are so many temporary files filled in the hard disk which you don't need or you don't want to use it. Cleaning it out can give you a speed boost. Windows 10 has surprisingly useful built-in tool for doing this called Storage Sense. To do this, go to Settings, then open System, and you can find Storage, and at the top of it screen, move the toggle from off to on. When you do this, Windows constantly monitor your PC and deletes old junk file you no longer needed. Files in the downloads folder and haven't been used or changed in a month, and old recyclable files. You can customize how Storage Sense works and also use it to free up even more space than it normally would. And you can find the configure Storage Sense or run it now. In this option you can find temporary files which you want to keep for 30 days or never. You can never. Okay, now let's come to tip number 3. Clean out your history. Under the Windows hood, the registry tracks and control just about everything. That includes information about where your programs are stored, which DDLS they use and share, what files types should be opened by which program. But the registry is very messy thing. When you uninstall a program, even think of trying to clean on yourself. So check out another video in our channel, which I dropped the link on the description, and it can increase your PC performance massively. Now let's go to tip number 4. Disable shadows, animation and visual effects. It may vary your graphics and some animations which may look weird, but it can massively increase your system performance. It's easy to turn off them. In the Windows 10 search box, type pressing Windows plus R and typing sysdm.cpl and press OK. It launches the system property dialog box. Click the Advanced tab and click Settings in the Performance section. That brings you to the Performance option dialog box. You'll see a varied list of animations and special effects. If you have time on your hands and love to tweak, you can turn individual options on and off. These are the animations and special effects you probably want to turn off because they have the greatest effect on the performance. Now tip number 5 is defrag your hard disk. The more you use your hard disk, the more it can become fragmented, which can slow down your PC. To do it, type defrag into the search box and press enter. From the screen that appears, select the drive you want to defragment. Click the optimize button to defragment it. Select multiple disks by holding down the control key and clicking each you want to defrag. If you want to have your disk or disk defragmented automatically, click the change settings button. Then check the box next to run on schedules. Now select the frequency at which you want and select daily, weekly or monthly. This tip is a bonus tip which I'm gonna say, where you have to delete all the permanent temporary files, where you have to run a command by pressing Windows plus R. By typing PREFETCH, you'll find a dialog box where so many temporary files are stored, which is making your PC to run slow. So now what you have to do is select all the files and delete them permanently. Some files can't be deleted, so you have to skip some files. And it's done. Close. Now let's go to another bonus tip. What you have to do is just press Windows plus R and type modulus temp modulo and press OK. A dialog box appears and you have to select all of these files and folders and permanently delete. Some files cannot be deleted, but God grace, delete. But you can find some files which will not delete. So you have to nothing but you have to skip it and press again Windows plus R. Just you have to remove this modulo signs from both sides. Press OK. You can find so many files, but in my PC I have only one file. What you have to do is just select all files and delete and press OK. And some files may not delete, just skip those files. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon